Hello. Hello. What if we take your pacifier out? Dad, take it out for a second. Let's see what happens.
Give him 5 seconds, we'll throw it out.
Okay. It's December 5th, right?
Sure.
Okay. Almost 11 weeks old then. And you still love your pacifier.
My grade